Do you want to be able to connect Printful to your Wix store? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end and follow along step by step to make it work. So what I'm going to do first is to go into Wix and then log into my Wix account, and then I'm going to come to this page right here where I can actually customize my site. So go into this page, and now on this page then what you're going to do is to find this one right here where it says add apps. So click right here. Then you're going to be taken to the Wix app market, as you can see. So what we're going to do now is to just search for Printful in here. So just a second. Let's see if we get any result, and perfect. As you can see, we do get a result in here. We should choose this one, of course. So just click on this one. Then you're going to click on add to your site. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see, adding Printful, print on demand, will allow it to manage orders, manage products, read basic site and business info, as you can see. So just click on agree and add. And here is, of course, to be able to add it to your site, basically. As you can see, connect your store with Printful. Now what you're going to do is to log into your Printful account, of course. If you don't have a Printful account right now, you can just sign up with your email, as you can see. And that is basically exactly how to add your Printful, or how to add Printful to your Wix site.